Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get the new video notification. और अगर आप हमारे वीडियोस हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे दूसरे चैनल इजी स्विंग ट्यूटोरियल्स पर देख सकते हैं. चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Today I am sharing one of the most requested video, how to do alterations. So I bought this kurti specifically to make this video, and you can see it's not my size, it's oversized. So I'll just show you how to do alteration from large or extra large to small or medium size. Firstly, just wear the kurti or top, whatever you want to alter, and stand in front of the mirror and note down the areas you need to alter, and depending on that you'll decide how much alteration that outfit requires. If your outfit is just slightly loose, you just need to give ½ inch or 1 inch side fitting seam, the easiest one. And if it's very loose like I'm wearing the one, you need to mark the measurements and recut the kurti and stitch it again. So I'll just show you. So this is a kurti. I've turned it inside out and I've ironed it. Ironing is very important because you won't be able to mark properly if you won't iron the outfit. Now I'll mark the measurements. Firstly, shoulder. Shoulder was fine when I tried it, so I don't need to alter that part. And for shoulder we take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 15 inch and half of it is 7.5 inch. This is 7.5 inch, so I don't need to change anything here. Now from this point I'll mark half of armhole round, that is 7.5 inch in my measurement. Now from the top, mark a point at 11 inch shoulder to burst, 15 inch shoulder to waist, and 21.5 inch shoulder to hip. Mark 1 inch in bursts and join it to the shoulder slope point. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 34 inch. 34 plus 2 is 36, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 9 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 36 inch. 36 plus 3 is 39, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 9.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 4 inch of ease because this kurti doesn't have any slits. It's kind of A-line, slight A-line shape, so I'm keeping it loose fit. So 31 plus 4 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For hip, I'm adding 6 inch of ease. In my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 plus 6 is 44, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 11 inch. I guess I can keep it more loose, so I'll keep it 12 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Now join waist to hip, and I'll just extend it till bottom, adding seam allowance. I'll just separate the sleeves. So I have separated the sleeves and ironed it. Now I'll draw front and back armhole curve. And now I'll cut it. I'm just cutting back armhole curve. Now I'll trace measurements on the other side. You can use tracing wheel as well. And similarly I'll trace front armhole curve. Now take only front layer and fold it like this. I'll trim the front armhole curve. So kurti marking is done. Now I'll cut the armhole on the sleeves. So this is sleeve. I've ironed it. Now this armhole cutting is very deep. So I'll just mark straight line. And I'll mark gap height from this line 3.5 inch. I have to deduct sleeve length by around 1.25 inch. Armhole width is chest round divided by 4 minus 1 inch. In my measurement, chest round is 36 inch. 36 divided by 4 is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. So armhole round is 8 inch. And at 10 inch sleeve round is, it's around 11.5 inch. I'll take it 12 because it has flares, so I'll just make it loose fit. So mark half of sleeve round, that is 6 inch for my measurement. Join these points with curved ruler to give slight shape of sleeve. And then just match this point with the seam. Adding seam allowance. Measure this line. This is around 9.5 inch and divide it into 3 parts. So I'll mark a point at 3.1 inch twice. From this point mark half inch upwards, and from this point mark half inch upwards and 0.25 inch downwards. Now I'll draw front and back armhole curve. And I'll cut it. Just take top layer to cut front armhole curve. Similarly, I'll trim armhole for other sleeve. While cutting sleeves, just keep this thing in mind that front armhole curve on both sleeves should be on opposite direction. Like this one is facing towards right, so on this sleeve front armhole should be on the left direction. So just keep that in mind, otherwise you will just cut both sleeves for the same armhole. Now I'll stitch it. Firstly, I'll attach sleeves and then I'll stitch the side fitting seam on both sides. Join sleeve, armhole and kurti armhole right sides together, and also don't forget to match armholes, front armholes and back armholes, and make a stitch. So I've attached the sleeve. Now overlock it. Similarly, I'll attach it on the other side. Now I'll stitch the side fitting seam starting from the sleeve round. Match it with the previous seam and secure it by making back and forth stitch. Similarly, I'll make side fitting seam on the other side. And with this, alteration is done and you can see the difference. You don't always have to use this method. It depends how much alteration is required. If you like this video and you want me to make more alteration videos, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll just share other methods as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.